2 days until the U-Haul. Come take a tour.
The living room has been a really great place for staging different categories. Right now, here's the empty boxes, kind of sorted into shape and size. This is open boxes that I'm adding to as I find new stuff. I stage all the lamps. Also stage like organizing tools and hooks and bins. That way when I unpack, I have like all my organizing supplies ready to go. Linens, towels, things I don't mind using for padding and wrapping things. I thought these would be great to like throw in between plates when I wrap the kitchen. I'm using my puzzle table as like a packing station. This is utility stuff. So you know when you're packing and like, oh, I need a battery or I need some screws and some nails. Well, I've staged these boxes open so that as I find them or as I need them, light bulbs, tools, clips, hooks, cat toys. I've also staged all of my plants all there. That's the kitchen pantry, just open. We're kind of living out of boxes at the moment. Kitchen's gonna get packed up on the very last day because we're thriving and living off of the kitchen. That's kitchen that's packed up. We're also adding to those boxes. Just staging the frames by size. I'm gonna pack those probably today. Guest room is staged for the moving truck. This helps get us a good visual for what's gonna fit.